Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video I'll be showing you how to replace an external water filter on a Samsung American style fridge freezer. First things first, it's important to note that some fridge freezers have an external water filter while others have an internal one. This guide is for replacing external water filters only and does not apply if your fridge freezer has an internal filter. Oh, and before we begin, make sure to stick around to the end of the video for advice on cleaning your fridge too. Your fridge freezer's water filter is vital for ensuring the water you drink stays clean and free from impurities. Because of this, you should change your water filter once every 6 months to prevent scaling and deposit buildup. This will keep your drinking water clean and your fridge freezer in working order. With an American-style Samsung fridge freezer, however, you don't need to worry too much about forgetting to replace your filter, as the fridge freezer itself will tell you when to do so. The filter indicator light will turn red when you've used it for 6 months, indicating it is time for the filter to be changed. To begin, you need to shut off your fridge freezer's water supply. To do this, you need to locate the shut-off valve. This could be under the sink or in a nearby cabinet or crawl space. Once you've found the valve, simply turn it to cut off the water supply. To remove the filter, you need to hold the tube collar against the filter body and pull out the tube. To insert the new water filter, you need to align it so that the arrow flow mark is pointed towards the refrigerator. On your new filter, remember to remove the red clip and take out the blank before installing. Now you can connect the inlet and outlet tubing to the appropriate end of the new filter by firmly pushing the tubing all the way until it's tightly seated. It's important to note that when purchasing a new filter, you'll need to get the right one for your specific model number. Watch our video up here to learn how to find the model number of your appliance. Finally, you're going to want to reset the water filter. To do this, press the filter change button for 3 seconds. You will hear a chime and the colour of the indicator will change from red to blue, showing that it has been reset. Now that we've successfully fitted our new water filter, you can turn the water supply back on and check for any leaks. If you do experience any leaks, then you can try repeating the steps we have gone through. After installation, press the water lever and flush through 3 litres of water to allow trapped air to purge from the water system. Flush the filter until clean water is running. If you notice that initially there is a dark discoloration of water and ice, do not worry, this is normal. So there we have it, one new external water filter fitted to this Samsung American style fridge freezer. Now that your water filtration system is up and running smoothly, make sure you keep your fridge spick and span with our video, How to Clean Your Fridge Freezer in 7 Steps. And if you need a new water filter for your fridge freezer or any other spare part, you can find them in our online shop. We'll include a link in the description below. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to our channel to keep up with all things eSpares, including how-to videos, new product demos, and home appliance maintenance advice. Thanks for watching.